Hi guys, there's a new feature coming out on BNI Connect. So just thought I'd do a quick 2-second video, which will probably be 20 minutes, just on how to use it and what it's for, because I've had a look around it. So I'm sharing my screen and you should be able to see this. Basically, on BNI Connect, you've got all your usual options there on this section of the screen: report training, record, thank you for the business, and so on and so forth. This is a new one added, which is to update the progress of referrals received. Click that, run the report from last year till now, I guess. Click go. It might work. Go, go, go. That's what it's saying. There we go. It's opened up. So what does that say? No matching records found. So I'll just go. I don't know, just go a bit earlier. So now search. There we go. There's all the jobs, all the inquiries. So for argument's sake, we will just use Trevor's one that you passed me for a reroute. I can then click the edit option here, click that I've contacted them and left a note, which was called and Dave, quote, did boiler repair whilst there. Boiler flashing whilst quoting. That's a brief job. Submit that. Now, that's great. That means now that the leadership team can see that, I can see it as well. So it's been updated there. So I can track that. I can track that against did not get the business, did get the business, not a good fit, etc. The leadership team can see all of that. The person who referred you can see it as well. So they've got insight as to what it is that you've got and what it is that you haven't passed that's any good. I just thought it was really handy. It you know, it's a bit more of a digital version of the referral reality check, which I'm glad we've dropped. But anyway, that's I just thought I'd help you out. Maybe you can use it. Maybe you can use it to keep track of which referrals you've passed and which you haven't. Oh, by the way, I quite often prefer to log into BNI Connect on my PC rather than on my phone. I just find it, once I'm sat here, I find it quicker to use than on my phone. Cheers, guys. See you later.